welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda, saying things since 1968, or thereabouts. I'm a little wheezy, but that's okay. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be really freaking cool. I would love it. And then you'll be qualified when I reach 1,700 subscribers to enter the giveaway, which will be huge. What do I have here? It's established in LA, and it's fragile. It's a mystery box. It's the spooky mystery box, the spooky special from Colourpop. And I haven't done a mystery box like from Colourpop ever. So this is very exciting. And it's supposed to, I've avoided watching other people's unboxings of this because I want to be surprised, even though they can all be a little different. It is jam-packed. It is so full of stuff. Look at this. So much stuff that I can't wait to get into it. All right, I'm going to start with this. It says, "You deserve a star." I deserve a star. Thank you, Colourpop. You're the best. Was that sincere? Was that sincere? Was my $49 well spent? We're about to find out. Frozen 2. Glitterly Obsessed. Waterfall. It's very pretty. I really have no clue to what's going to be in here. Look at that glitter. It's got a lid on it. I don't know if it's loose glitter, but it is glitter. It is gorgeous. It is a beautiful gold iridescent glitter. I'm not getting into that. I don't want glitter everywhere, but that's very cool. Very nice from Frozen 2. Next up from Bambi. Bambi! The Twitter painted Luxe Gloss Trio. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not going to take them out of the package. But look, it's very, very pretty lip glosses. And I have most of the Bambi palettes over there in my Colourpop collection, and this will make really great presents. I don't wear a lot of lip gloss, but I have a lot of friends who do. And then next we have from, it says So Dangerous. So Dangerous. It's a cream luxe lipstick. Lippy pencil. And I think it's from, I can't read the girl's name, but the girl who likes to look like Marilyn Monroe, I think it's from her collection. Oh, okay. It's both a lip liner and a lipstick, and that's a very pretty color. Very nice. It's nice to get a matching lipstick and lip liner. Very nice. So far, nothing that I will use, but because I don't do bullet lipsticks. I might use these though. Little Colourpop puffs. And I never learned the Powerpuff Girls names, but I always like the green one because I like green, and that's very cute. Next up, we have a little eyeshadow palette. There's still tons more stuff in here. And it is a 4-color eyeshadow palette, nice neutrals with some shimmers. It's Citrus Fizz. And it's very beautiful. I don't need to take it out of the package for you guys to see that. So that's lovely. These will make great stocking stuffers or other things. And this is from Lizzie McGuire, So Juicy Plumping Gloss. And this is in Lizzie. So far, this is a lot of stuff, but nothing that I'm going to use. And it is a glittery lip gloss. Looks pretty empty, though. It's like not full. It is not full. But I'm sure I know someone who loves glitter lip gloss. I'm sure of that. And then we have Feather Effect Brow Pen from Colourpop. It's all Colourpop, so I need to stop saying Colourpop. My God, Rhonda, it's full of stars. It's full of Colourpop. And this is a medium brown. I usually wear about a medium brown. So I will give this a try. It's a little brow pen. I don't know. It's like it's like a little pen. If it was a brow pencil, I'd be all about it. Good to have. Then we have some falsies in Queenie, and these are very dynamic, very cute. I don't wear false lashes. Why did I get this Colourpop mystery box? Because it sounded good. Fresh Kiss, and this is it's written in white on a pale background. It says First Taste. A lot of this will be great for Christmas. And it looks like it is a lip gloss, and it's very, very pretty and natural looking. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things so far. And then we've got a sponge. I'm not going to unwrap the sponge. You know what a freaking sponge looks like. Then we have a liquid liner, which I love liquid liners. Ooh, it's in a pretty color. It's called The Hills, and it's green. This I might use, because I love liquid liners. I will swipe it on my face. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. I like that. I'm going to use this because I have also written on my skin with it. So cool. Next, I have a palette. It says Hocus Pocus Witching Hour from Colourpop. Is this the one that I don't have? Because I've got the first palette from Hocus Pocus. Is this the second one? It says, I put a spell on you. And it's very pretty. I'll use this, or I'll give it away. I might give it away. I'm going to give a lot of this away. So this is cool. Very nice palette. Very beautiful colors. And then we have one more thing in here, and it says In the Springs. And it is another palette. Pressed powder palette, which they say because it is got things that are not eye safe according to our government. And it's very pretty in the spring. In the springs. And it is not a color story that I would use, but it's very pretty. And I know somebody who would use it. So that's cool. So we got 3 palettes total, a quad, a 12 pan, a 12 pan. We got eyelashes and hair clips and lip gloss and glitter and these things and lip glosses and lipsticks, and it's all right. It's a lot of good gifts, and I'll use that green eyeliner, which will be very fun to use. So anyway, I've got some Christmas shopping done now, and I hope that you've enjoyed me unboxing this mystery box. It's a mystery why I got it. Never doing this again. It's a lot of nice stuff for other people, but not much for myself. But that's fine. So $49 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 things is really good. I got my 13 things. I got my money's worth out of it, but I don't love the stuff that I got. So there it is. I hope you've had a great time watching me unbox all this stuff. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.